Hi, I'm Tom Eberle, the shop foreman at Vern Eide Honda, and today I'd like to show you how to check your engine oil. First we'll pop the hood, then we'll open it up. It's best to have let your engine sit for a couple minutes to have let the oil drain down. We'll look for the orange dipstick, take it out and wipe it off so it's clean and gives an accurate reading. Put it back in. Let it sit just a second, pull it out and read where our oil level is. You're going to want to see it between the hash marks. If it's not, you'll need to add some oil to it. And then we can just reinsert the dipstick in the tube. Once again, I'm Tom Eberle, the shop foreman at Vern Eide Honda. If you have any questions about your vehicle, feel free to bring it in, and we'd be happy to help you.